Hello students, vacations are here, the much loved vacations. Vacations mean that you have plenty of spare time on your hands to do things that you generally don't get time to do. There are so many things that you can do during your vacations. But remember that you must spend your vacations in a very productive manner. Attend interesting and fun workshops. The workshop can be pertaining to anything that interests you, whether it's art and craft, debating skills, drawing, singing, cooking, martial arts, origami, or even life skills. So vacations are actually a great time to get to know people that you share a fence with. You never know, you might be able to make a lifelong friend and companion. Try out a new fitness regime. Why not try out a new diet that will build your immunity? And this is the right time because you have ample time on your hands. Go watch a play. Try and find out various plays which are being, broadcasted or which are running in your city. Instead of being lazy and downloading that mind-numbing movies, online, why don't you go and watch these plays? Explore new places. You could either explore your own city or do things which you've never done or visit locations that you have never visited. The list is endless. Last but not the least, you must finish your holiday homework before you come back to school. Last but not the least,